Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install BlockFi-like interest programs decision checklist, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching available BlockFi-like interest programs. Identify reputable platforms that offer interest on cryptocurrency. Check user reviews and ratings of these platforms to gauge reliability. Assess the interest rates offered by different platforms to find the best options. Evaluate the fees associated with each platform, including withdrawal and transaction fees. Consider the cryptocurrencies supported by these programs. Look for any minimum balance requirements needed to earn interest. Examine the security measures each platform has in place to protect your assets. Review the platform's withdrawal policies to understand how often you can access your funds. Confirm whether the platform is regulated and compliant with financial laws. Read the terms and conditions carefully to understand the risks involved. Develop a strategy to diversify your holdings among different programs to minimize risk. Consider the duration for which you plan to keep your funds in the interest program. Create a plan for ongoing monitoring of your investments and the platform's performance. Make a decision based on your research and set up an account with your chosen platform. Follow the instructions to deposit your cryptocurrency into the platform. Keep records of all transactions and interest earned for future reference. Stay updated on any changes in interest rates or terms offered by the platform. Periodically reassess your investment strategy based on market conditions and your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.